I was trying to extend my C drive, but the extend volume option was grayed out. It turns out the unallocated space needs to be directly next to the C drive. So I did some research and I found that this problem usually comes down to two different scenarios, and the fix depends on which one you have. First, if your disk looks like this C drive, then D drive, then unallocated space, this is the easier situation. If there's anything important on D, back it up first. Then open Disk Management, right-click the partition sitting between C and the unallocated space, and delete that volume. Now the unallocated space is directly beside C. Right-click C, choose Extend Volume, select the space, and finish the wizard. If you still need a separate D drive afterward, you can shrink C again and create a new partition. Now complete the wizard. And once it's created, now put back your data in this new drive. But don't delete anything if the partition in between is EFI, reserved, recovery, or if you have multiple partitions separating C from the unallocated space. Because if you delete any of these Windows partitions, so it can break your PC or Windows. And then I searched on Google about how to do it safely and it found it. I can use EaseUS Partition Master. That's where the second method comes in. Open the program, right-click your C drive and choose Resize Move. Now select Fill All Unallocated Space, hit OK once you select all unallocated space and confirm the change, and click Apply. The PC may need to restart during the process, so just let it finish. Once Windows loads back up, check the C drive and make sure the extra space has been added. Also, quickly check the partitions that were in between to confirm your files are still there. And that should get your C drive extended. If you're dealing with a different partition layout and still having trouble, let me know in comments.